it is my great pleasure to welcome to the stage my friend, Craig Fisher.
He's one of the key innovators in the space globally.
Craig Fisher is Director of Talent Marketing.
With tens of millions of Americans unemployed right now, personal branding and telling your story has never been more important, especially for job seekers. To talk about that, an expert, Craig Fisher. He is the founder of TalentNet and a personal branding expert. Thank you for being on the show.
We all evolve, right? And we're striving to be the best version of ourselves on a regular basis. It doesn't matter how old you get or how young you're starting, right? Your goal is to be the next best version of you. And so you're constantly going to be showing the world that you are the subject matter expert of that thing you want to do and be. You're the SME of you, right? Nobody knows what you can do better than you. And how's anyone else going to know if you don't actively share that with the rest of the world on a regular basis?
When you're posting content, and speaking of AI generated content, we're now posting a lot more content because it's easier. Try to educate and entertain as much as you ask or more. I use the 5-to-1 give to ask ratio, and it tells you that if you give more than you ask in any relationship, that relationship is better and lasts longer and is stronger.
You have diverse people in the organization. Get them talking about how awesome the company is.